Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Touhidul Islam. Today I will show you how to do concatenate. Uh, we need to do concatenate if we are interested to combine multiple cells into one cell. Let us start. Today I will show you three tricks to do concatenate. Let's start with the first technique trick. Uh, there is a default function that is called concatenate, and we know if we want to start a function in Excel, at first we'll have to put a equal sign, then concatenate, first bracket started, then we need to input the cells. Let's look here. You see text 1 comma text 2. If we consider A4 as the text 1 selected, and then comma B4 the next text 2, then comma C4 comma D4 bracket close, enter. If we look at here, that all the data from the cells are in one cell, but there is a problem, that is A4 means DM and B4 means KA. It is linked. There is no space between there in this combined situation. If we can put different letters, signs, space between these cells if we want. But for this, what we need to do, you see, if we click the function, you see B4 comma A4 comma B4. What we need to do, we need to put a double inverted comma. If we are interested to put a dash, then dash, or space, then space, or whatever we want. Let's we put a dash, then double inverted comma close, and then we need to close the section by a comma. Then we press the enter. You see between DM and KA, I mean A4 and B4, we find we see a dash that we put here. This is the process to put any other information that is out of the cell, that should be put that should be enclosed by double inverted comma. Let's go for the second trick. This trick is not done with concatenate function. Actually, this is done with AND function. Not actually AND. This is AND sign. Let's see. Equal sign, the first text, comma, second, sorry, not comma, then we need to put AND sign, then the second cell, then again AND sign, third cell, and then again comma, the fourth cell, enter. Here we see all the data combined in one cell, but like the previous situation, here all the data are combined without any space or anything else like comma, dash. Here we also can put dash, comma, whatever we want to input between the information data from data of the cells. Let's see, let's put double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, close, and then again an and. Enter. Here you see between DM and KA, I mean A4 and B4, extra space has been added. Okay, let's see the trick 3. This trick is actually done with two functions, one concatenate, another transpose. Okay, let's see. Equal sign, concatenate, uh, first bracket started. As earlier I said, this function, it is actually combination of two function. uh, we need to put another function, that is transpose, transpose, and first bracket started. Here we see transpose array. Array means we can select a portion of row, a portion of column. Let's we select from A4 to D4. Earlier what we did in concatenate trick 1 and trick 2, we just selected the cells. Here we selected a specific area, specific area from a row. Okay, then the bracket close. Then what we need to do, we need to close the bracket again for the concatenate, but you cannot put the and enter here. What you need to do, uh, you need to select the transpose portion. I mean, from transpose, here I select transpose to up to the bracket closed of the transpose section. After this, what we need to do, we need to press Ctrl and equal sign. Here we see the informations already provided here, and two important factor is that here you will find a second inverted comma, uh, a curly bracket that should be removed. The curly bracket removed. Another factor, you see here we find a semicolon, not a comma between the cells in cell information. We need to make this comma. I'll show you why they put a semicolon here, and why you need to put comma. Another factor you need to consider, you see DM and KA, which are actually letters that are that are enclosed with double inverted comma, but numeric values that are not enclosed with inverted comma. Here is it. This is a learnings for us, that if we put any information, if it is letter, we need to put it within a double inverted comma, and if it is letters, if it is numbers, we no need to put any double inverted comma. But if we put, that is not a problem, that will work the same. Okay, then enter. You see the same result we found in trick 1, trick 2, but here as well, as you see, no spaces between the informations of the cells. Let us see how can we do it in another way. Let us consider another trick. Concatenate, sorry, transpose, and then bracket started again, and we selected the array from where to where we want to the information, then bracket closed. Then what we need to do, we need to start a double inverted comma, space, and then double inverted comma, bracket closed, and again the transpose part should be selected, and then control plus equal. So something wrong? Yes, that is what we need to do. We need to put a and sign here. Okay, then transpose part is selected, then what we need to do, control plus equal sign. Okay, let's see what happened. The same thing happened like trick 3. There is a information is provided here. What we need to do, we need to remove the curly bracket, and then you see the semicolon into we need to turn it into as comma. Okay, let's press enter. What you see, all the information is separated with space. We can put whatever we want, any other value, text value or numeric value, or any sign like comma, space, dot, whatever we want. Okay, but there is what one thing is very important to know for us, that for trick 1 and trick 2, what will happen if we change any value here. Suppose if we convert this 11 into 90, you see, for trick 1 and trick 2 the value has been changed, but for trick 3 or the other trick, it is not changed, because what we need to because we had a trick there, that we had pressed control plus equal to sign there, that has been converted the data into value paste. It means it will not be able to change again. Whatever done, that is done. But for trick 1 and trick 2, it will be changed with the data. Okay, now let's talk about the comma and semicolon. For trick 3, what we find, there was a semicolon. It was because we selected the array as from the row, and that is why they provided a comma. But if we select array from column, what happens? We see, let's see, equal sign, concatenate, concatenate, bracket closed, transpose, bracket started. Let's see, let's consider this. We selected the information as from the column, but previously we selected as the row. Okay, column, bracket closed, and then and sign, then double inverted comma, then suppose the dash, double inverted comma, close, bracket closed. Now select the transpose section. Selected the transpose section, and then control equal to. What we find, you see, there is a double curly bracket that should be removed. Enter. What you see, we can remove this. What you see, all the information has been provided with a comma, not semicolon, just like previous trick 3, because we selected the information or the array from comma. The actual fact is, Excel considers the information should be separated. If the array is from row, it will be separated with a semicolon, but if it is from column, that will be separated with a comma. That is the fact, nothing else. Okay, this is what we found. Sorry, the information that is found here. Okay, it is up to here. Please watch the whole video, click the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question or any query, you can leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Touhid Excel. Thank you very much.